Good day, Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome to another video as we're going to unbox our latest acquisition, the Flash. Okay, so as you can see, we have here a booster of the Flash set. And it's a gorgeous booster. You can see the rogues. We can see Reverse Flash, the Trinity of Scene, and the Speed Force. Okay, but this is not a Flash video. As you can see, it's only protected by tape. Okay, so this booster was just used to pack my transaction with Sir Julius. Sir Julius, hats off to you, sir. Thank you very much. So what is in the booster is actually figures from the X-Men mythos. And let's take a look. We have here a bunch of figures. A bunch of Sentinels and a bunch of Predator X. Let's take a look. So this one I had to contact Sir Julius. Okay, he bought a big collection, okay, of Sentinels. Okay, some of the items there I already have. But I was hoping to get some of the generics like the Predator X and these Sentinels. Okay, so good thing Sir Julius was also looking to sell these items. Okay. He offered a great price for them. So immediately I contacted him and paid him through GCash. Shipped it on the same night. And here we are, looking at them in this unboxing video. Oops. Hey, it's okay. Old figures like this tend to be very hard to come by, and as such they can also be fragile. So we're looking at the enemies of X-Men: Sentinels, Predator X. Let's see. Okay, so as you can see, not all the figures have a card, and that's totally fine. It's very rare that these figures are kept in mint condition or in good condition even. The cards are absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so let's take a look at each of them. We have here 3 Sentinel Troopers from the Ultimate set. Okay, these are set number 10. 20 points with a shield keyword. Okay, shield team ability. So we have 3 of that here. And then we have the shield trooper experience. This is the rookie experience. Okay, and the veteran. Okay, I already have this, but I think I only have 1 of each. So having extras is always a good thing. The more generic figures you have in your collection, the more it looks great in your display. Okay, so by the way, when we say generics, these are characters that, again, don't necessarily have their own unique name. Okay, like Sentinels are generic, but Karima is unique. Okay, or Nimrod is unique. Okay, so it's best to get a lot of generics, especially soldier types like this. Okay, because as you can see here, they already look great clustered together. So thumbs up for this one. Let's take a look at the other side, which are Predator X. Okay, so we can see here, okay, condition is great, knowing that this set came out 2011. Imagine, 11 years ago. So this is from the giant size X-Men set number 42. So it should be a rare. Okay, so a rare Predator animal, monster, and purifier. Has a couple of traits. Track. At the beginning of the game, choose an opposing character. When Predator X is given a move action and ends his move adjacent to that character, that is a free action instead. That character receives -1 to breakaway rolls when adjacent to Predator X. If that character is KO'd, choose another opposing character. Force Evolution, modify Predator's X attack and defense values by +1 for each character named Predator X that has been KO'd this game. Ooh, interesting. For 133 points. Okay, would have been better if there's a second point value starting click. Okay, but looks amazing. The dark silver is nice. Okay, astonishing X-Men. Okay, real name is none. Significant appearance, New X-Men 2007. Background, William Stryker, before dying, had requested the Weapon Plus program produce a living weapon able to combat the impending mutant Antichrist. 3 huge beasts called Predator X were created. Ooh. Each acquiring young mutant Mercury's metal skin. Oh. So this is Mercury's, that's why it's silver. Okay. Mercury color. Increased strength and durability. 1 of 3 Predator X. 1 perished via the ONE Sentinels. Another one dispatched by X-23 while the third escaped. Each Predator X is able to evolve via the information learned from previously deceased ones, making each stronger than the last. The final Predator X, while tracking the mutant dust, gets a scent of the mutant Antichrist. Predator X changes direction to pursue her with the purifiers close at hand. So it's good to get a pack of this Predator X. Okay, they look like wolves. Okay, nice for this display purposes, definitely. I only have 1 of this, so now that I have an additional 4, it's gonna look great. And then we have here 2 types of Sentinel. We have the Sentinel with their hand repulsors out. Okay, and then a Sentinel that's really just walking like a boss. Okay, so I also have this, but I have a bunch of this. This one I only have 1, so the 2 I really need. So let's take a look. This one doesn't have any special trait. Straightforward robot Sentinel. Let's take a look at the flavor text. Target designation, mutant ID number 2776. Okay. Would have been great if the number changes every card. Can you imagine that? Okay, containment protocol, microwave heat ray. That's a microwave heat ray. Palm shot, compact design. Uncanny X-Men number 4, 1965 is the significant appearance. No real name. Because he's a robot. And finally, this is from the Days of Future Past set. So set number 1. Okay. Future Robot Sentinel, 1 trait, Mutant Hunter. When Sentinel targets a character, possessing the Brotherhood of Mutants or X-Men team ability or keywords, modify its attack and damage values by +1 for that attack. And a special attack skill, activate inhibitor color. Sentinel can use Pulse Wave. When it does, hit characters are also given an action token. Wow. This is really strong, and having multiple starting points, that's always good. Okay. I just noticed that the eyes are not so good. Okay. I do not repaint, so I take the figures and love them as is. Okay, but that paint job is amazing. The glossy body. Okay. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Again, another shout out to Sir Julius. Very good. I vouch for him. If you have transactions, if you want to buy some of his other big Sentinels, okay, go ahead, contact him in the Heroclix Philippines trade group. Okay, and keep safe as always. Bye bye.